Happy employees are productive employees. I take serious topics, do the research, and present them in a humorous way because adults learn better when it's presented in a fun way. Mm-hmm. So they said this was a national healthcare conference, a lot of nurses and doctors. Very fun crowd.
I know you're all from healthcare, and I'm from a healthcare family. I just want to set it straight. There'll be absolutely no talk tonight about bodily fluids. I have spent Thanksgiving with you people. Oh, actually, I was delighted to speak for the wound, ostomy, and incontinence nurses. But when we get stressed, our stress hormone cortisol, what it does is it releases fat and it dumps the fat into our stomachs. So that means, so that means if you worry about having a pot belly, it will just get bigger.